Everyone, welcome back to another product video. For today's product video, I'm so excited to show you guys this wireless smart otoscope. This is an earwax removal device that helps you clean out your ears, and you can actually see the camera inside of your ears on your iPhone. I'm going to show you guys all the steps to setting it up and then all the parts of the otoscope itself. So inside you will get a little user manual. Inside you'll get a little user manual, and then this is your setup here. Here's your charging cable to charge the otoscope. These are a bunch of little different size ear picks. This is the otoscope itself, and then on top is the ear scoop. And then these are just some more tools, and it comes in this cute little case. So on the bottom of the otoscope is the charging port, and this is where you will put your charging cable into it, and then you'll plug it in to a normal charging block into the wall. So to set it up, first you will need to download the app on your phone. So in the user manual, you will see this QR code. It's just super easy to use to download the app. You'll just scan it with your camera app, and then this will take you to the app store to download the app that connects to the otoscope. So I'm going into my camera app, and I'm just scanning the QR code here. And then this takes you directly to the app store, and you're just going to download this app. Okay, so now that you have the app downloaded, I'm going to press and hold the otoscope until it turns on, and then you can see a little light on the top indicates that it is now on. Then you will go into your Wi-Fi settings, not your Bluetooth, but your Wi-Fi settings, and go to Enjoy-6D30, and this will connect to your otoscope. Next, you'll go back to the app, the otoscope app itself, and you are now connected to it. So you can press here, and this shows you the otoscope, what the otoscope is seeing, and then you can put it in your ear. As you can see, this is my ear inside. And then when you want to switch out the little earbud, they're super easy to take off. You just slide it off, and you can clean this and just switch it for a different arc little replacement. So that is your otoscope. It is super easy to use, and it's kind of fun to see what's going on inside, and it really helps you clean out your ears really nicely. So that is your wireless smart otoscope.